Once you're done with all of the slide work, it's time to record your video. So to record videos, you're going to click the Screencastify icon that should be up in your toolbar. They were all installed. Once that is open there, make sure it says desktop. You have your microphone enabled or it won't pick up anything you're saying, and you have the webcam enabled if you'd like your beautiful face to be on there. Me, of course, I want my beautiful face to be on there, so I make sure to embed it. Then after that, you'll click record. And you'll record your explanation of why you picked all of these foods here, telling us everything we need to know, and then you will hit to stop the recording by pausing first. Once they're done, you now get into the editing phase. So on the top, go ahead and click Open in Editor. And now you can edit everything you need inside this video here. If you'd like to cut some of it out, add in a text box here or there, change around the order of them, you have the ability to do that. You can even add in little clip arts here or upload an image from your drive to put into the background somewhere there. Once you're all finished, you'll hit export. And you're going to export it to your Google Drive. It needs to have a name, so mine will be test video. And you hit save. It'll give you the option to share the link, but what we're doing here, we don't need to share that link. What we want to do is find it in the folder in our Google Drive. So if you hit view, once you're here, you have your newly edited video that you can interact with. You're going to hit publish to YouTube. First thing you do to get here, you have to add a YouTube channel by clicking add a channel. And because your JID is a Google account, it already has a YouTube account connected to it. So pick your JID out of the list. Continue with that account. And it will connect your JID's YouTube channel directly to this Screencastify. Then you have an option. You can make your video private, public, or unlisted. If you pick private, no one will ever be able to watch it and you won't complete the assignment. If you pick public, everyone can view your video and you'll be able to watch it and get graded on the assignment. If you pick unlisted, only select people can view it and I still can. So either public or unlisted works. I pick public. You'll give it a name. And you'll hit upload. Once it's done recording, uploaded to YouTube, you click the view on YouTube to make sure it worked. It's going to process a little bit, so just refresh the page. And there it is. Now you can move on to how to put a YouTube video into slides.